Guys, welcome back again to Elevate with Kenny. As you may already know, this is the channel where I bring to you tips on how you can improve your financial well-being. Today I've brought to you again another very realistic way of making up to £8,000 per month, or in dollars, depending on your location. Guys, you know already that I don't bring to you ways that other people will tell you to go and copy and paste and you can become rich. You know I don't do that. I tell you what you can realistically do. My videos are not too long. They are very short videos because I don't like to waste your time. I like to bring it to you as soon as I hear about that opportunity. And the one I'm bringing to you today is one that a lot of people are not talking about. And I don't know why. Guys, this is the reason why you need to stay on this channel, because I bring to you different rare ways of making good money for yourself. Before I go into this video, I would urge you to please subscribe onto this channel because it would help my channel to grow. As you already know that this is a very small channel at the moment. I'm looking to grow this channel and this is the only way you can support me in doing that. So please click on the subscribe button because it would help you to get informed every time there is a new video from me. The next video from me might just be that one that would bring that breakthrough you're looking for. Right, so guys, the opportunity that I'm bringing to you today is to get up to $8,000 or pounds every month cleaning carpets and also cleaning bed sheets. I don't even know, or I don't think that you know that there are special cleaners that get this done and get up to $40 or pounds every hour doing that. Now, the reason why I'm bringing this opportunity is because there are so many cleaning jobs out there, but in order to get money from cleaning at all, why don't you go the special way? Because you get a premium cost for cleaning carpets. And of course, I don't know if you already know also that cleaning carpets and cleaning bed sheets cost is different. In order to get started, guys, you need to get an equipment called spot cleaner. Spot cleaner costs only about $100 or pounds, depending on your location. Again, I live in the UK, so I tend to call pounds a lot, but if you live outside of the UK, in your currency is around $100. All you need to do is get that equipment and then go on to Canva, create yourself a poster. Once you create a poster, distribute this out to people, get yourself on Facebook Marketplace, open an Instagram page and open a TikTok account, showing people on TikTok, demonstrating what you're doing, cleaning the carpet, posting different videos on how you clean carpet, and of course, trust me, you will start getting people to get you to come clean their houses. If you're doing this £40 per hour and you have up to 10 clients, I always say start with around 10 clients because you don't want to stress yourself too much. And of course, because this is passive income ideas, I expect that you're doing it at your leisure time, say in the weekends or during the or in the evenings. You may want to go about your normal business during the day. So if you're doing this, if you dedicate only about 20 hours of your day doing this part-time with £40 per hour, guys, you already know how much that is. £40 per hour times it by 20 hours a day. You can do the maths. These are ways that you can easily make money. And like I said to you, the opportunities out there where people will tell you to go and copy and paste and you can make up to £3,000 per month. You need to stop wasting your time because they hardly would get you anything from the scratch. But with this opportunity, there are opportunities that people physically want immediately. If you get that spot cleaner, it's only £100 and you can make realistically up to 8,000 doing that every time. Please guys, if this opportunity is one that you think that you want to venture into, guys, please leave in this comment section below. Let me know if it's something you want to try. If you're already doing that, let me know how you're doing, because I really just want to know how you're doing. I am rooting for you guys. I am on your side, and I want you to make this money. If there are other ideas that you think that you want me to talk about, of course I'm very excited to always bring those opportunities to you. Just let me know, and I can share it in the community and let more people be aware of those ideas.